Overall, I am enjoying the tour, and this is my second tour of.
It seems that you have not taken bath today.
No, sir, I have taken bath, but you have given some work with Abhay Bhaiya on the bike, hold the hair. I came with the full setting, but yes, sir.
All your hair taken by air. But you could start talking to conductor. Conductor was there.
No sir, they were saying that they are talking in English. क्या बोल रहे समझ ही नहीं आ रहा है. And yes sir, yes, and Ajibo Garib sab they were talking in their language, so I was not able to understand in Mathli something they were talking.
So you are going to stay one night. So you are going to have your friends for 24 hours at least, full time. So how do you see it?
Sir, I have thousands of plans. I have thousands of plans, and me and Sonam is discussing since yesterday evening that we will do this, we will do that, we will do this game. Means we have planned a lot. And
Ragini, one question I would like to ask. As you are good manager, good planner, if I say, it would not be wrong. So do you think that you are born manager?
I can say just because of my family, because my papa used to have doing a lot of work in a single day, so I learned from him that we can also do, we can manage everything, it should be planned only.
Fine sir.
How are you feeling right now?
I am feeling great right now. I am making myself involved that I could not vomit. Yes.
So do you consider yourself lucky that all your friends are caring, they always care, committee has problem as they listen? Do you feel that you are very lucky to have such nice friends?
Yes sir, I feel very lucky that I have that type of friend. They give me medicine, means they are caring about me, and they are involving, they are talking to me continuously that yes, she cannot feel anything for vomiting and all.
To collect money, to motivate them. So how was your experience?
Sir, experience is very hard, as we know that doing anything it gives us experience, sir. So I was organizing, so I got lots of experience, and apart from it, sir, I was very much excited, and that energy motivated me to organize the everything and collect the money.
Which part was very difficult? To motivate them, to collect money, to calculate, to just...
Actually, the means if I talk about the difficult part, so it was just motivating them, because the most of the student is new, sir, and they must know that we are giving them opportunity, and they must snatch it, but they don't know even, so that's why they were not ready.
So some students they don't want to go. Some students they don't want to go first time, even they are not interested to go and they visit. But last time you went, once again you are ready to visit. What was the reason behind it?
Actually, the last time I enjoyed a lot because we have the memories of video we have recorded. That I did a stand-up comedy, and the response was very good. So there were so many things which I did. So I enjoyed always a lot, and I want to participate in this type of things because ultimately it makes me feel good, and refreshment is there in life once in a year.
So
If you go anywhere with family, alone, and with friends, how does it make difference?
actually sir, I haven't visited any place yet with family and with friends as well. So right now it is my first time that I am going to visit with my friends.
So did you inform parents, or you did not inform your parents? You did not ask?
No sir, I asked to my papa, and he also said that yes, you can go. Rebel has given you means a lot of things he knows about me. So that's why he allowed me to go there.
I'm feeling so good, sir.
How are you feeling as you are going on tour?
Sir, I can't express my happiness in words. It's a different kind of excitement. It is not about only happiness. It is not about that some tour kind. It is a mix-up of everything, that happiness, that excitement. Even though I have visited that place so many times, still I am feeling a different kind of excitement.
In the morning, as you were managing everything, so what could be punishment for them who came late?
Yes, sir, there must be punishment. Why am I saying so? Because, sir, they were not new students. All the students who came late, they are the old student of the Rebel. And I did not expect from them. So there must be some of the punishment. They must give some party to us that we come on the time.
Okay, thank you, Pritam. Mithi, first time you are going on this tour. How are you going to remember it for lifetime?
Sir, I think that it will be remembered for me that I am going.
Memorable.
Yes, it will be remembered by me. So I think that means there are a lot of you are here, and I will just know about the. I have read about everything that in my book, but I want to see right now, and if I see, it will be more beneficial for me, and I will get means a lot of knowledge, I can say.
Thank you, Beti. I have lots of questions, but rest वहाँ पूछेंगे. What a passion you have. You left your examination for this tour. So do you think that did you do good?
Yes, sir, definitely I do good because in the level of question is very high and I know I am not clearing that examination and that's I join the tour.
But if you pass examination, so there will be lots of tour in your life. So examination was more important. How do you say it?
Sir, I know my capacity and my capacity, this examination is not my cup of tea. That's why I am not going to exam. And there are so many exams coming, that's why I want to go tour.